Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be transforming this rusty dusty hair using my Ayurvedic green tea Rhassoul clay hair and face mask from Pretti Phizziez. So before applying the mask, I'm going to be cleansing my hair with the Acai Berry Whip Shampoo. This shampoo is enriched with aloe vera, acai berries, amla extract, watermelon seed oil, grapeseed oil, and vitamin E. So now that my hair is clean, I am going to section my hair off into 4 sections to make applying the mask easier. So again, I am going in with Pretti Phizziez new Ayurvedic green tea Rhassoul clay hair and face mask. Yes, this is a hair and a face mask. I love a dual purpose product. So this clay mask is light, it's creamy. Again, it is a 2-in-1 product that can be used for both the hair and the face. It is great to strengthen the hair strands while providing intense moisture, shine, and elongation. And it also rejuvenates the skin cells, which makes it an excellent product for the face and the body to replenish dryness by hydrating dead skin cells. So some of the key ingredients in this mask include aloe vera, cocoa butter, Ayurvedic herbs, matcha green tea extract, watermelon seed oil, grapeseed oil, moringa oil, Rhassoul clay, and vitamin E. So the directions for the mask say to apply to damp or wet hair after shampooing or pre-pooing, and I chose to shampoo my hair before applying the mask. So I'm applying the mask to the first section of my hair, and it did have a medium slip. It definitely felt good going on, and it also elongated my curls. So after applying the mask, I finger detangled first, and then I went in with my brush to further detangle and also to make sure that the product was evenly distributed throughout my strands. And as you can see, it definitely elongated my curls, and it definitely got my curls popping. So now I'm moving on to the second section of my hair, and I'm just going to follow those same steps. So some of the benefits of green tea for the hair is that it stimulates hair growth, prevents dandruff, prevents oil buildup, and it makes your hair healthy and shiny. Some of the benefits of the Rhassoul clay are that Rhassoul clay contains silica, which is a component of sand, and natural silica can work as an exfoliant, and it also gives hair a glossy sheen. So again, I'm just continuing to apply the mask in sections, finger detangle first, and then go in with my brush to do further detangling and to make sure that the mask is completely covering each one of my strands. So now I've applied the mask to my hair, and the directions say to let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. I let it sit for about 30 minutes with a plastic cap on before rinsing it out. And as you can see, the mask already has my curls popping. So it's been about 30 minutes since I applied the mask, so I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out in the shower so that you can see what my hair looks like with the product rinsed out. Okay, so do you guys see the shine and definition in my hair? Like, this mask has my curls popping and it feels amazing. I would definitely recommend you try this mask, and I cannot wait to try it on my face. I will leave all the information from where you can purchase this mask down in the description bar. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in the next video.